to open Fab Bank salary account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open Fab Bank salary account online. So first of all, just simply open the Fab Bank's official website and just log into your account if you already have an account in the Fab Bank. And if you don't have one and you want to open it online, just simply hover your cursor of the personal section of the top menu, and under the bank account section you will be able to see the option called current account, saving account, deposit and accelerators. So just simply go to the bank account section from there, and over here when you will scroll down you will be able to see a bunch of different bank account options that you can explore and open it for yourself. Since you want to open a salary bank account in the Fab Bank, just simply click on open bank account from the top menu, and you can also explore the mobile banking section over here. So in order to open your bank account online with the Fab Bank, you need to download the Fab Bank mobile application, and you have to follow these steps. So there are two types of bank account that you have to that you can open. So the one is for the resident of the UAE and the one is for non-resident. So if you are a non-resident or a resident of UAE, you have to make sure that you have identity proof for that, and you need to have some identification that you need to verify while opening the account. So before you start, you need to make sure that you have a valid Emirates ID, and you are a current residential address details in the UAE as well, and your employment information is also necessary while opening the account, and your tax and residency details are also necessary for you to open your account. So there are three types of account, like saving account, current account and investment bank account. And so if you are looking for opening a salary bank account with Fab Bank, I would suggest you to go for a saving or a current, either of them. So you can select accordingly as per your choice, and then you have to enter your personal details like your phone number, email address, residential address, and just authenticate the information that you have filled upside with the OTP code that will be sent by the bank to your mobile. And then you have to enter your personal details like your first name, your birth of nationality and your date of birth, etc. And just select the type of account that you would want to open. Since you want to open the salary bank account, you can select that, and then just simply scan and verify your Emirates ID, and just enter your employment details and review all the details that you have entered before proceeding to the next step, and then just enter your current country address, and just complete the tax declaration and customer declaration as well. As soon as you enter all these details, and then your salaried bank account with Fab Bank will be opened quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to open Fab Bank salary account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.